Thank you. Very good afternoon to you. Increasingly unsettled, humid conditions ahead this week. Today will be the freshest of the next few. 14, 15 Celsius for many of us. Lots of cloud around. Showers making their presence felt now. And into this evening, an overnight band of heavy rain moving across the northwest of England and the Isle of Man. After midnight, a little drier, but remaining misty, murky, mild and breezy before dawn. On to tomorrow, a better day in prospect, 1 or 2 showers scooting through on the breeze, but more in the way of sunshine. And through the afternoon, it's generally dry with some lovely warm sunshine ahead, 17 or 18 Celsius quite widely. After tomorrow, become increasingly humid. And from Wednesday and into Thursday, we'll see a pull of very warm air from the south. Find out what that means for us here in the northwest in the weather forecast later on in the programme. Hello again, a very good evening to you. An unsettled week ahead weather-wise with humidity and temperatures on the rise, but so too the threat of thundery downpours from midweek onwards and especially into this weekend. A plume of very warm air moving up from the southern continent as the jet stream shifts position, giving temperatures quite widely across the UK, well above average for the time of year. But the threat of heavy thundery downpours also moves up Friday into the weekend, and some of these will be rather heavy for our part of the world. Back to this evening's details. It's fresh and rather damp over the next few hours, with a spell of rain moving in, some of it rather heavy. As we approach midnight and beyond, it's beginning to move eastwards over the Pennines and away, but it will leave behind a legacy of low cloud, murky, damp conditions, and a mild night, 11 or 12 Celsius, remaining quite breezy and cloudy for the northwest of England and the Isle of Man as we start the day tomorrow. The sun will be up tomorrow morning at 4:41. It sets at 9:40 tomorrow evening. And for most of us tomorrow, it should be a brighter day. Certainly brightening up as we go through the morning, the odd shower tending to die away. And through the afternoon, plenty of bright, sunny weather on offer. A little bit of a breeze for the northwest. But if you're in some shelter tomorrow afternoon, it could get to around 18 Celsius and feel quite pleasant, with lots of sunshine through tomorrow evening to round off the day. Temperatures are on the rise. Wednesday beginning to feel quite warm, up to around 24 or 25 Celsius. The threat of a few heavy downpours, perhaps thundery into Thursday. That's an unsettled day, and so too Friday. And into the weekend, thunderstorms and humidity are on the rise. Very unsettled. Humidity is on the rise over the next few days or so, and the grass pollen season is gaining momentum. So levels across the northwest as we head through this week will either be high or very high. Bye-bye.